Select BST360. You can test the battery with this function. To use this function, you need to buy the BST360. Connect the red clamp to the positive pole and the black clamp to the negative pole. Select Battery Health Test. The device will connect the BST360 automatically. Start System Test. Charging Health Test. Report. Select other modules. Select TPMS. You can reset TPMS sensor with this function. And to use this function, you need to buy the X431 TSGUN. Power on the TSGUN. Tap the number to connect the Bluetooth. And download the firmware. Update the firmware. Tap OK. Select a vehicle model. Select Honda Accord for example. Here would be active, programming, learning, and diagnose. Before you activate a new launch sensor, please do the programming first. Launch sensor. You can program the launch sensor with auto, manual, by activation, copy by OBD. Select auto for example. After programming, you can activate the sensor. After installing the sensor on the tires, you should follow the instruction to do the learning.